What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Fix This House. So on this episode, I'm gonna be replacing my three windows, as you see in the background, and I'm gonna be replacing it with upgraded tempered French style windows. So those are gonna be a lot bigger than what you see on the back. These windows that I will be putting will be 36 and a half by 76 and a half. So pretty easy, pretty straightforward. What we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be stripping out all the sidings. We're gonna be prepping the bottom so that we can have a good foundation. So with that being said, stay tuned. Let's get to it. So as you can see here, I already started prepping up the left side. We got the OSB, but on the top portion you got the support beam right there, and I'm gonna be ripping out this remaining old backing right there. We're gonna be taking out all the insulation over there, and I already checked from the inside that there is no wiring behind that, so no outlets or anything. So you guys want to always check if there is wiring behind there, and you want to shut off the power before starting this. But in this case, what I'm gonna be doing is gonna be cutting this off and pretty much lowering it down, because the windows that I'll be putting is a lot bigger and a little bit wider than what you see now. Let's start cutting out and prepping out the base. After you strip down the exterior sidings and the insulation, you're going to be left with this Protecto wrap. So it's pretty much a sealing tape, so that you don't get any water or air going through your windows. Just get one of your X-Acto knife or your box knife and just cut right through it. Right here, the screws are hidden underneath the wrap, so you're just gonna take your box knife and peel right through, and you'll see these screws hidden along the edges. Now that's the tricky part, so just be very careful. Find those screws, unscrew it, and you can pop this window right out. So the siding on these windows are attached by these screws right here, so make sure you take these out, and they are located on various areas of the frame of the windows. Now you can find these hidden screws. Just take your box knife, run it through just like that. If you hit some kind of dimple right here, as you can see, take your knife and peel it away, and it's right there. Do the same thing all the way around. Well, right now we got all the screws out along the frames of the window. Now we can easily just safely pull it out. Alright, so we got everything dropped out. Now we got these to take out, and then we're going to be relieving some of this drywall out of here. Let me show you why the efficiency of these windows are not to spec, and why we were getting a lot of draft inside the house. It's because the previous owner decided to upgrade these windows, left these gaps right here. So they just put this extra support base all around the windows, and there's gaps between all of them, so we have to take that out in order for us to flush this new window to the studs. So we got all the windows out. I'm gonna take off that siding right here. Right now I'm doing the foundation pieces and the framing. So what I have is 81 1/4 or 81 1/8. Got it all nice and leveled, and we'll do the same thing on each row. So as you can see, this window is tempered, meaning that if it does crack, it's kind of like what you have on your car. It doesn't shatter and all fall out. It will be kept on the same spot. Per code, especially these windows are so close to the ground, and if you have children, they might knock it or break it. It won't shatter into a million pieces. That's why it's recommended, or it's by code, that you have tempered glass. So right after I installed the windows, I installed this protective tape. So what I use is this Pele. This is a vapor barrier, and it prevents moisture and air and water getting through the cracks of your windows, and it's highly effective. A lot easier to apply than caulking or foam, insulation foam around your glass, but I did it all throughout the perimeter of the window. So guys, that pretty much concludes this video. This project took the whole day, stripping out the old windows and putting these new ones. As you can tell, way 100 times better than my old windows. A lot bigger. It looks more modern with the black grids. Again, those grids are 3 by 4. You can get the square ones, but we chose the rectangular grids and 3 separate windows. Again, comment in the section down below what you guys think about this install, what you guys think of the new windows. Hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, because I have a lot more projects coming up. Thank you guys. You guys have a good day. See you in the next one.